Hey guys, eWoodRaider 05 is showing you a zippo trick. If you're not a beginner, I'm sure you know this trick. It's called the twilight zone. Very easy, anyone can do it. So I'll show you how to do it. First, I just a quick demo. Here's the flame. Take it away. Put it back. So yeah, for beginners, press your friends, press anybody probably, unless you know how to do the trick. Very easy to show. Your wick, when you get it, it's going to be pointed up. Now, you want it to be curved, like away from the spark wheel, making a pocket, if you will, so the flame could just, go under in the pocket right there. And when you pull it away like that, it's going to hang out there until you get a gust of air to make the flame ignite again, and putting back the flame back to life. So my wick's on the curve. Take it away. Hold on. And put it back. So yeah, you could have a lot of fun with this trick. You could take it away, snap it back. Sorry, I'm new to this trick, but yeah. But when you snap, you guys sort of move the lighter, having the air. So, let's see if I can do this. Holy crap. It took a couple tries. I gotta fix my wick, but that's pretty much the basics of the trick. I'm a beginner, so, so yeah, have fun with this trick, and hope you enjoyed it. eWoodRaider 05, thanks for watching.